Question 5.3 wants us to explain the results shown in figure 4, which is just at the bottom of this page for the example. So it's wanting you to explain why it is that as the time increases, initially the rate of reaction is fairly fast and then it starts to level off. It's not enough just to describe what is happening in this question, because the command word is explain, so they want a full detailed explanation about what is happening. So if we look at the beginning of the graph, we can see that as the time is increasing initially, there is a high rate of reaction, because at this point there is plenty of starch available, starch being the substrate. Therefore, there's going to be a high amount of enzyme substrate complexes being formed, as there is a large amount of starch or substrate available. As the enzyme amylase is going to be breaking down the starch into the maltose, then we start to see that there is a lower rate of reaction, because as the time increases and we get an increased concentration of maltose, then that means that we have less of the starch available because it has already been hydrolyzed into the maltose. So we see that the rate of reaction starts to slow down. By the time we get to 25 minutes, then we see that it's going to start leveling off, because there's no more maltose produced, there's no increase in the maltose concentration, because the starch or the substrate has now all been hydrolyzed.